India is the second largest steel producer in the world. The growth in the Indian steel industry is driven by high standards of quality and execution. As a result, the steel sector has evolved as a major contributor to India's manufacturing output. Sunflag Iron and Steel Company Limited, one of India's leading manufacturers of supreme quality automobile, defense and engineering grade steel, is raising the bar since 1989, creating industry benchmarks all along with a capacity to produce 0.5 million tons per annum of high-quality special steel spread over a massive area of about 158 acres. Located near the town of Bhandara in Nagpur, Maharashtra, the plant specializes in producing world-class steel grades including carbon steels, alloy steels, free and semi-free cutting steels, micro-alloyed steels, stainless steels, spring steels, and many more. Customer satisfaction has been the very core of our values, and to that end, we make sure to use the latest technology in order to reduce waste and cost. Sunflag is proud to have developed clean steel technology. In association with Daido Steel Japan, Sunflag has developed steels with high cleanliness. Sunflag has an integrated steel plant which gives it an edge when it comes to optimum utilization of resources. Raw material handling. Raw materials are transported by trucks and rail wagons. Wagons are unloaded with wagon tipplers and stored using stacker and reclaimers. Sinter plant. The sinter plant uses iron ore fines and mill scale to produce sinter for the mini blast furnace. The 33 square meter sinter plant produces 3,64,000 tons of supreme quality sinter annually. Direct reduction plants. The direct reduction plants produce sponge iron from iron ore and coal for consumption in the steel melting shop. The state-of-the-art direct reduction plant is capable of producing 2,62,000 tons of sponge iron from iron ore and coal. Moreover, the flue gases are used to generate 30 megawatts of electric power. Mini blast furnace. The mini blast furnace produces basic grade hot metal for use in the steel melting shop. Surplus hot metal is poured into the pig casting machine. The mini blast furnace produces 3 lakh metric tons per annum of basic grade hot metal used in the steel melting shop as a raw material. Slag, which is a byproduct in production of hot metal, is supplied to cement plants. Power plant. In addition to steel, the company houses a 30 megawatt captive power plant that operates on 2 turbine sets and 3 boilers. Electric arc furnace. The steel melting shop uses hot metal and sponge iron to ensure negligible tramp elements. EAF has 60 metric ton capacities and dynamic energy management system. The electric arc furnace uses hot metal from mini blast furnace. The furnace has continuous sponge iron feeding arrangement. Plant return scrap is also used in the furnace to produce quality molten steel for secondary steel refining. Ladle heating furnace. Ladle heating furnace has continuous argon purging from ladle bottom through porous plug. Continuous alloying addition feeder with weighing arrangement ensures good chemistry control in secondary steel refining. Wire feeding provision facilitates micro additions. Vacuum degassing. In the vacuum degassing unit, liquid metal is treated for removal of gases. Vacuum up to 0.5 millibars ensures much cleaner steel. Effective vacuum degassing ensures high cleanliness and lower gases content by removal of dissolved gases like H2 and N2. Continuous casting. Continuous casting machine casts liquid steel into blooms and billets. Slag sensor ensures no carryover slag from ladle to tundish. Turnover cooling bed ensures uniform properties. We have facility to cast sections from 130 into 130 mm square to 280 into 320 mm square. Each billet and bloom is nailed with a tag carrying heat number, strand number and billet number, ensuring complete traceability in downstream process. Ingot casting. The highly advanced facility for ingot casting is capable of producing top-notch ingots for critical applications like railways, defense, and aerospace sector. Blooming mill. The blooming mill rolls blooms in round and rounded corners, square cross sections of various sizes. Water jet descaler removes scale for enhanced surface quality. High capacity of reheating furnace minimizes furnace retention time, thus eliminating the decarburization of rolled product surface. Bar and section mill (BSM). The bar and section mill is a continuous rolling mill, rolling alloys and special steels in rounds, hexagon flats, wire rods through straight lengths and coils through garrote and block. The wire rod block mill rolls thin-sized fine wire rods in alloy, carbon, spring, free cutting and stainless steel grades with desired metallurgical characteristics. The garrote coiler produces wire rods, coils in thicker sections and BSM rolls section from 5.5 to 46 mm in diameter. Alloy steel mill (ASM). A 3-high cross-country alloy steel mill rolls rounds and round corner squares in sizes from 45 to 75 mm. ASM is equipped with roller table, hot saw and rake-type turnover cooling bed. Heat treatment. Sunflag has facilities for heat treatment and production of bright bars, steel bars and wire rods in annealed, normalized, spheroidized annealed, hardened, tempered and SAPPD conditions. Bright bar. The bright bars are manufactured in peeled and reeled, peeled and ground and drawn and ground conditions. BBR section currently has capacity of 4,000 metric tons per month and it is under expansion. Super alloy. Alloys which retain properties at elevated temperatures, known as superalloys, are manufactured with the help of ultra-modern, state-of-the-art technologies like vacuum induction melting, vacuum arc remelting and electroslag remelting used in aerospace and defense application. The superalloys demand very stringent quality control, for which advanced testing equipments like Licocarbon and sulfur analyzer, WD-XRF, ICP, Instron, UTM, EDAX, immersion UT, metallography examination, etc. The resultant quality is further heat treated, forged or rolled depending on application. Forging press. 2000T open die forging press ensures uniform properties and microstructure in critical grades. Quality inspection. Products undergo rigorous quality checks such as phase array automatic ultrasonic inspection, magnetic flux leakage testing, eddy current test and VDI before dispatch. 100% PMI testing assure no mix-up in dispatch material. Chemical, mechanical and metallurgical lab. Chemical composition is tested during the process by spectrometer. Gases like hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen are analyzed by gas analyzer at liquid and solid stage. Latest version testing equipment analyzes mechanical properties like tensile strength, elongation, impact, strength, fatigue properties, microstructure, so important to mechanical properties, and response to heat treatment is associated and recorded on image analyzer. For assessment and analysis of surface properties, scanning electron microscope is used. For detailed inclusion analysis, immersion ultrasonic testing is used. Safety, HR and CSR. Plant stringently complies with all international safety standards and constantly impart training to our people with the goal of zero work-related accidents. Transportation. Careful handling of products during loading and transport and on-time delivery in full quantity are objective of dispatch section, and they are ensured in totally. Sunflag Iron and Steel Company Limited, manufacturer of world-class automobile, defense and engineering grade steels.